I had a lot of fun doing this last time. So I've repaired a couple of DVD cases in the past that light up or make noise or both. Well, I've got a couple of VHSs here that both have a press here button and don't do anything, of course, because they're very old. But let's see if I can get one of these going again. I think they're just supposed to light up, but if it makes noise, we'll find out when we open it up. So for something like this, I think we're going to have to use a little bit of heat. Gonna heat up the side and see if I can start peeling it off. Keep going until we get the whole thing off. There we go. Okay, that's the button. These are the batteries. Okay, these don't look too bad. I don't know if we have that size though, so let's pull those out and see. Let's just lift this up here. There we go. All right. Looks like we need to re-tape it too. AG10. Here we go. Perfect. All right, I actually have them. And his eyeballs. Tape it back on. You want to re-glue this back on there. Okay, that part get back down. And got a VHS that lights up. Alright, so now that we got that one working, let's see if we can get this guy going. Hopefully it's the same. Start with that. There it goes. Okay. Coming right off. Right off. Alright, now looks like the same deal. Okay. And there's that one. Alright, this one has a speaker, I think. Wait a second, this one might make noise. Oh, maybe that's what happened. Oh, there it goes. Oh man, this one's amazing. Let's get this thing back on. The glue still feels pretty solid on here, but we're just going to add a little extra just in case the top is warped. And down. All right. And there we go. All right, so definitely cooler than that one.